Understanding Welding Voltage, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term welding voltage. This concept is particularly important in the field of welding and engineering. Don't worry if you're not familiar with it. We'll break it down together. Before diving into welding voltage, let's understand what welding is. Welding is a process used to join materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by causing coalescence. This is often done by melting the workpieces and adding a filler material to form a pool of molten material that cools to become a strong joint. Now, let's talk about voltage in welding. Voltage in welding refers to the electrical potential difference that drives the welding current through the circuit. It's a crucial part of the welding process as it influences the heat input, weld bead profile, and penetration. Welding voltage varies depending on the type of welding. For example, in arc welding, it's the voltage between the electrode and the workpiece. The right voltage is key for a stable arc and quality weld. Too low, and the arc won't sustain. Too high, and it may cause excessive spatter. In practical terms, understanding welding voltage helps in setting up the welding equipment correctly. It's essential for welders to know the right voltage for different materials and welding techniques to ensure strong and durable welds. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of welding voltage and its importance in welding. Whether you're interested in engineering, welding, or just expanding your English vocabulary, understanding these technical terms can be very useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next session.